What's up? I'm back with a brand new video. Today, I'm gonna be doing my shower towel. My shower towel I really do not like. I think it's really ugly. And I think it deserves a new upgrade, a new tile. Really nice, pretty tile that I picked out. This is all gonna be gone. Anyway, so I'm gonna get it started like the last video, from where I began to the end, and hopefully it turns out pretty good, and hopefully I can get it. I'm nervous about it. Hopefully I don't mess up, but you live and you learn, right? So let's get it. Peace.
Oh my god.
What?
No, I'm just playing.
Just kidding.
What you guys doing?
Drugs.
Oh, making a
Drugs.